listening and reading practice. So let's start.
I have a very favorite room in my house. My favorite room is my small bedroom. The walls of my room are light blue. I see a big white window there. The sun shines through the window every morning. I have a very comfortable and soft bed. My bed has two big white pillows. I see a small wooden desk near the wall. There is a black chair at the desk. I sit on the chair to read books. I have many colorful books on my shelf. I also have a small lamp for light. The lamp is very bright at night. I see a beautiful picture on the wall. My room is always very clean and tidy. I like to listen to music in my room. It is a very quiet and peaceful place. I feel very happy and relaxed here. I sleep very well in my room. Do you like your bedroom or your kitchen?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. Today I go to the big zoo. I walk with my friends and family. The weather is very warm and sunny. I see many tall green trees here. First, I see a very big elephant. The elephant has a very long nose. Next, I see a yellow lion sleeping. The lion is very large and strong. I see a tall giraffe eating leaves. Its neck is very long and thin. There are many monkeys in the trees. The monkeys are very funny and loud. I see a beautiful bird with blue feathers. The bird sings a very sweet song. I see a big pool of water. There is a green crocodile in it. I take many pictures with my camera. We eat some cold ice cream together. I feel very happy at the zoo. Do you like lions or elephants?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I feel very fresh and happy today. First, I wash my face with water. Then I brush my teeth very well. I drink a glass of warm water. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I usually eat some bread and eggs. After breakfast, I wear my clean clothes. I go to my work by bus. I start my work at 9 o'clock. I sit at my desk and type. I have a short lunch at noon. I eat a green apple for energy. I finish my work at 5 o'clock. I walk back to my home slowly. I see many people on the street. I cook a simple dinner for myself. I watch a little TV at night. I go to my bed early today. I sleep very well every night. What time do you wake up?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. Today is a very beautiful day. I go to the big park. The sky is blue and bright. I see many tall green trees. I walk slowly on the grass. The grass is soft and green. I see many colorful small flowers. Some flowers are red and yellow. I sit on a brown bench. I see many children playing together. They have a big round ball. The children are very happy today. I see a small brown dog. The dog runs very fast here. I hear the birds and trees. The birds sing a sweet song. I eat a sweet red apple. I drink some cold, fresh water. I feel very relaxed and calm. I love to visit this park. Do you like the park?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. I love to eat good food. My favorite food is very tasty. I like to eat fresh pasta. The pasta is long and white. I use a fork to eat. I put some red sauce on it. The sauce has many small tomatoes. I also like some white cheese. The cheese is very soft and salty. I eat my dinner at 7. I sit at the big table. I have a glass of water. Sometimes I drink some orange juice. The juice is sweet and cold. I also like to eat bread. The bread is warm and brown. I feel very full and happy. Cooking is a very fun hobby. I share my food with friends. Good food makes me very glad. What is your favorite food?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. Today is a very rainy day. I see gray clouds in sky. The sun is not bright today. I hear the rain on roof. It makes a very loud sound. I look out of my window. I see many big water puddles. The green grass is very wet. I wear my yellow raincoat. I have a big black umbrella. I walk slowly on the street. The air is very cool now. I see a small wet cat. The cat is under a car. I go back to my house. I take off my wet shoes. I drink. Today is a very rainy day. I see gray clouds in sky. The sun is not bright today. I hear the rain on roof.
Now your turn.